Here is an unboxing and a brief kind of review of this large print, wide margin ESV TruTone. And just to give you a little idea, here's some information about it. It's got 11-point font text, double column, paragraph format, enlarged and bolded verse numbers, extra wide 1-inch margins, Smithsonian binding. It's got full color maps, ribbon marker, presentation page, and a lifetime guarantee. So it comes in this slip cover. This is a cheap version, not very expensive. I think I paid somewhere around 35 bucks, something like that for it. I got it from Amazon. Oh, it looks good. I like it. I like the binding here. I mean, I know it's not, premium leather or anything like that. But I like it. I like the size of it. I like the feel of it. I like the look of it so far. Nice little gilding. Again, I know it's not, this premium kind of Bible, but I like it. I don't really like the feel of the inside. This kind of cardboard or whatever this is here, but not a deal breaker. Let's see. Well, looks all right. Looks pretty decent. Not a huge amount of space in the gutter here. It's got an all right amount of space here. Pretty good amount of space on the sides. The font size looks good. Doesn't look to be too bad on the ghosting. Looks to be line matched, or just looks pretty good. Yeah. So you can see a little bit. I don't know if you can see it on the camera here. You can see a little bit of ghosting. You pick the page up here. But not bad to my eyes. Looks fairly decent. So far, yeah, I like it. Pages are a little sticky because of the gilding there. But that looks good. I like that. Paper feels pretty good. We'll see how it holds up to writing. So my plan is to use this as kind of a workhorse, maybe a guinea pig, kind of test out different note-taking methods, and then when I find out what note-taking method I want to utilize, I will go into my my goatskin leather ESV put out by Cambridge. So that's the plan for this. Again, just kind of an unboxing and initial thoughts. I like it. I like the feel of it. And I think it's going to be great for my purposes. It's not too expensive, so if I make all kinds of crazy mistakes and marks inside of it, I'm not going to worry too much about it. All right, hopefully that's been helpful.